Your first video is not going to get views, period. It's not. Your first 10 are not going to get views. I can very confidently say that.
I bet you know this guy. He has the most powerful YouTube channel in the world. Believe me or not, he used to have 0 views on his channel, but now the most successful YouTuber. Is that because of his luck? I think no. He is just a normal person like us, but he knows exactly what he should do. So if you are just new and want someone to guide you step by step on how to do it, watch this video carefully. Remember to take note if needed, because I will give you the most valuable lessons that you can never learn from anywhere else. But before we go, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below what you feel about this video. So now let's dive into it.
Just take a look, okay? So here's the brain of a non-procrastinator. Now, here's my brain.
So what is instant gratification monkey? According to TimeTrack, it's a metaphor for the tendency to seek out immediate gratification and pleasure without considering the consequences of our actions. But let me just spell it out for you. This man is you, and this monkey is your pleasure. The wheel is your plan to do something important. But look at this. The monkey has taken your wheel. That means you let your gratification control your plan, and you cannot focus on your purpose anymore. And you know what will happen when you cannot concentrate on your aim? You will go off the tangent. Seems scary, right? But don't worry, I have the key to solve this problem. All you have to do is stop overthinking right now and just make 3 first videos of your own in any niche that you like. For example, if you like football, just upload your football videos. If you like telling jokes, just go ahead, choose your own character, and give yourself at least 10 jokes that interest people. As Mr. Beast said, your first video is not going to get views. Exactly. If you have thousands of views at first, it's your luck. But you know, there are only 1% successful YouTubers in the world, so having no views is something normal. The most important thing is you can learn from your failure and just never give up. Because all babies in the world have to fall down many times before they can learn how to walk.
The goal was essentially to upload as much as possible. Quantity is what makes quality.
So what can you learn from your mistakes after your unsuccessful videos? Easily, they're skills. You can't have a general view about your niche with only 3 videos. So, make 7 more. These 7 videos will give you lessons about making titles, thumbnails, voice, sound effects, music, and show your progression. Your first ones might not be good, but your last ones will definitely be better because you had your successful formula. But it's not enough. You have to make comparisons between you and other successful YouTubers. Ask yourself a question. Why can they get thousands, millions of views? I don't claim that all other YouTubers are better than you, but look at them. They can get satisfying results. So why don't you learn from them right now? Remember this series? They're going to release its Season 2 this December. Now imagine that you have to play this game with 15 other players. So how can you pass through the bridge to make sure you would be safe? You have to understand the game, right? So your video making job is the bridge. The tempered glasses are your right steps to success, and the normal glasses are your failure. To reach the success, which is to have a brand channel and millions of views each video, you have to pass through 18 steps, and you would fall down right away if there was any wrong choice in the process.
That's so stressful for me.
I know you would say that, but just calm down. Making a YouTube channel is not a luck game like Squid Game. You only need a strategy to make sure you win all the time, which I will show you right now. In the last of this part, there's a precious thing that I would like to share with all you guys, so just watch to the end. Step 1. Understand your audiences. So when I make my videos, I always think of my audience's feelings. I pretend that I'm a picky viewer who are enjoying my own videos and giving myself judgments.
That part is boring. I think I will shut it down and take a rest.
See? You don't make your videos for you, but for many other people. Therefore, always think of your audiences. Whoever they are, just put your heart and your soul into your products and give as much value as possible, like what I'm saying to you guys now. You cannot do a speech without a script, right? So after knowing what your audiences need, write a detailed script for your first video. You can create your script manually, but easily use ChatGPT. It can give you any script that you want just by writing a prompt. See how I generate a script for this video. Here's the result. Then, copy and paste to a Google Docs file. This is where you restore your documents and fix anything you want. Great job! If you have a clear voice, just record yourself through a microphone. But if you don't, there is a better method. Using AI. There are many voice tools that give you a realistic voice, just like a real person, but I prefer Play AT. It's an AI-generated tool that can transform text into a voice. You can paste each paragraph into it and hit Generate Speech to receive the result. I bet you know this guy. He has the most powerful YouTube channel in the world. Now, when you have your voices ready, you can start editing your video. There are many things I want to convey to you in this step, but that's what I will show in another video. In this video, I only share some tips to save your time in editing. First, don't use too much footages. If you want your audience to pay attention to your content, just focus on what you are communicating. You only need to add illustration videos in some unimportant parts. Second, if you want to make your videos smoother, overlap 2 successive layers by their head and end, and then add a transition effect. One more thing is don't overuse effects. I know that the more effects a video has, the more appealing it is, but have you seen a car with full of stuffs inside? You can take a ride into it. So remember, less is more. The fewer effects, but the more value you add into your video, you will receive more than you expected. Okay, now you have your video ready to upload, but don't forget to make a thumbnail and a title for it. Thumbnail is what decides if your video is viral or not. No one chooses to watch a video without an attractive thumbnail, right? There are more than 20 thumbnail types, but to be simple, just care about the elements inside it. This thumbnail has a text, a character, 2 examples beside, and a significant background. This thumbnail has an app logo, which is stylized in 3D, a character who is holding a pixel axe. This thumbnail has a character, a text above and below, and an example video behind with view and revenue boards. Deciding which elements are suitable for your video. Then just make yourself an outstanding thumbnail that makes people want to click to see your video just by their first glance. About the title, just ask ChatGPT for 10 YouTube titles that related to your video. You can also search for the titles that are used popularly by successful YouTubers and choose the best of them all. Easy, right? Yee-hoo! Everything is in your hands. Now, you just need to upload your video right away and wait for the views. Don't be upset if you have only a few views. As I said, the most important thing is you can learn from your failure and just never give up. So be patient and enjoy your life before you become successful. So if you have watched till now, I will share a wonderful tool as promised, which named Playboard. Here you can search for any trending video and channel with detailed data from subscribers rank, average views, like rate, comment rate, to view growth rate. You can also find out what are the most popular videos of each niche and then choose an example for your videos. Okay, that's everything I want to share today. Now, let's summarize our lessons. Lesson 1, don't procrastinate. Don't let your pleasure control you from doing your work. Just upload 3 first videos and accept the failure. Lesson 2, learn from mistakes. Upload 7 more videos and make a comparison between your videos and between you and other creators. Lesson 3, understand the game. Have a strategy about what you are doing and follow that strategy from knowing your viewers, making a script, voiceovers, editing videos, making thumbnails, titles, and then uploading videos into platforms. Have you got all? If not, just write a comment below and I will answer you as fast as possible. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with your friends if you find it helpful. I hope this video would be a wonderful assistant for you guys to create meaningful content, especially ones who are just beginners. So thank you, and see you in the next videos. Bye!